Let's find the domain of the given function. Now here we have exponential function and x is in the form of polynomial function, so there would not be any restriction on the term x because polynomial function is defined everywhere and the exponential function is also defined everywhere, but the square root term creates problem. So there would be restriction only on the y coordinate of the ordered pair. So whenever we have the square root term, the term inside the square root should be positive or equal to 0. So let's take y plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. After simplifying it, it gives y greater than or equal to minus 2. So the domain can be defined as in the form of that. So now let's sketch the domain of this function. Here we have x and y coordinates. Uh, now here this inequality is related with the equation of line y is equal to minus 2, and it is horizontal line which cuts the y-axis at minus 2. Now what does it mean by y should be greater than or equal to minus 2? Equal means the points on this line is included in the domain of the function, and greater than means all the ordered pairs, all the points above this line is also included in its domain. So here we have the domain of the function, and there is no restriction on the values of x. All the values of x are included. You can see here all the values of x are included in its domain. So only the restriction was on the values of y. So this is the domain of the given function.